Unlock the power of your data and transform your career with Microsoft Power BI. In the next 3 minutes, discover how our training and certification can propel you and your organization to new heights. For individuals, Power BI certification is your gateway to mastering one of the most powerful data visualization and business intelligence tools available today. Why get certified in Power BI? It's simple. Certification in Power BI not only validates your skills, but also opens up a world of opportunities in the data-driven business landscape. With Power BI, you'll learn how to turn complex data into clear, actionable insights. This powerful tool helps you to visualize data in a way that makes sense to everyone, from stakeholders to team members. Whether you're analyzing sales figures, tracking key performance indicators, or creating compelling dashboards, Power BI equips you with the skills to make data-driven decisions that can transform your business. Power BI makes it all possible. By getting certified, you demonstrate your expertise and commitment to leveraging data for strategic advantage, making you an invaluable asset to any organization. Our training covers everything from the basics of data modeling and visualization to advanced analytics and DAX formulas. You'll learn how to build interactive reports, design dashboards, and connect to multiple data sources seamlessly. The Power BI certification exam tests your skills with a combination of multiple choice questions and practical scenarios. You'll demonstrate your ability to analyze data, create reports, and use Power BI's advanced features. Career opportunities? Countless. In today's data-driven world, the demand for skilled professionals is skyrocketing. With a Power BI certification, you're not just limited to one role. You're ready for positions like data analyst, business intelligence analyst, or even data scientist. These roles are crucial in interpreting complex data and providing actionable insights. Organizations are constantly on the lookout for professionals who can leverage data to drive business decisions. Your expertise can help companies make informed choices, optimize operations, and stay ahead of the competition. For organizations, training your team in Power BI means better decision-making, enhanced data insights, and a competitive edge. Empower your employees to create impactful reports and dashboards that drive strategic growth. Why choose us for your Power BI training? We offer expert instructors, hands-on labs, and flexible learning options tailored to your needs, whether you prefer day, evening, or Saturday sessions. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to the experiences of those who have walked this path before you. Hear from our successful students and organizations who have not only completed our programs, but have thrived because of them. They have seen transformative results after our training, witnessing significant improvements in their careers and businesses. Our approach ensures you gain practical, real-world skills that make an impact. With our hands-on training, you'll be equipped to tackle challenges and seize opportunities in today's dynamic environment. Our training programs are designed to fit your schedule and learning style, providing you with the tools and knowledge to excel in the world of data analytics and business intelligence. Ready to harness the power of your data? Enroll in our Microsoft Power BI training today and step into a future of data-driven success. Check out the links in the description to get started with our top-rated training programs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and career advice.